Hi my loves and welcome back to the Fhab Life. Thank you so much for joining me again today, and if you are new here, you are so welcome. If you're not so new, then welcome back. I've got an amazing video, a lookbook, and I'm styling denim shorts in a few different ways. Some casual, some a little bit smarter with different accessories and just trying out different looks. I've got black denim shorts, white denim shorts and blue denim shorts, as you can see. So if you like the sound of that, then definitely keep watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video as well. It's truly appreciated. Take care. Starting with this all black look, this is a great effortless casual look. Here I've simply teamed my bodysuit with a pair of Primark denim mum shorts and Primark Perspex flats. These were featured in my latest Primark haul. I'll link them up below if you haven't seen them already. This is such a great canvas to add elements to this basic look, whether it's a chunky necklace or a black bag. This one is from Zara. It's a nod to the micro bag trend, but in a much more wearable way. If you want to break up the black, then you can always add a little color, for example with this pearl white bag, and that helps just offset the black. Or you could add a pop of color like I've done here with this Kate Spade bag in this beautiful pink color. Going back to the all black look, I've simply made this a little dressier by swapping flats for a pair of suede heeled court shoes and a sheer polka dot top. It still looks quite effortless and chic, but perhaps a little more city appropriate, or maybe for weekend drinks. Starting with a dressier all-white look, I chose this beautiful top from Marks & Spencer as the intricate lace detail adds a feminine touch. White leather shoes with rope detailing, and the nude underlay of the top pairs perfectly with my wallet on chain. Here I've swapped out the heels for a pair of slides in keeping with the nude tones. Getting maximum wear out of my accessories, I've kept them the same and paired them with a pair of blue denim shorts and this super chic top from Self Portrait. The top is quite sheer, as you can see, so it would also work well for evenings or out for dinner. But because it's in a t-shirt silhouette, it's really great as a casual piece, which is how I like to wear it personally. I absolutely love this look. I think this is my favorite look. It's so effortless, it's chic, it's playful, all at the same time. I'm wearing the same blue denim shorts with my white Zara bodysuit and this absolutely gorgeous kimono, which is quite old, but I'll try and link a similar one in the description box if I can find one. The floral, great cover up if it's a little chilly or perhaps if you're a little body conscious. You could of course accessorize this differently to really play on those Coachella themes, perhaps by layering some gold necklaces. Just by swapping to this grey pair of plimsolls, it's suddenly a fabulous outfit for walking the dog on a beautiful spring-summer day, or meeting friends in the park when we eventually can go out, that is. Monochrome is such a classic colour combination that really lets your outfit do all the talking. I've really played here on the pearl details as the injection of white by matching the pearl shoes and bags, and this makes the white bodysuit really pop. Again, you could go for gladiator flat sandals to really grunge the look up, but I prefer the ladylike elements to maintain a slightly more feminine look. think grey has got to be my favourite colour, so of course I had to show you a grey outfit. A simple grey t-shirt really goes a long way, and the V neckline of this t-shirt is super flattering for all shapes and sizes. I've built on the different tones of grey with the grey plimsoll from earlier and a darker grey flat bag. When trying to create a smarter or more work appropriate outfit, a black colour palette is always a winner for me, and it's a universally super flattering colour. In this look I've incorporated gold accents for a more luxe feel. So the gold buttons on the blazer, the gold earrings, and even the gold buckle on this black belt, it really just all helps to tie the look together. A pair of black high-heeled shoes keeps the look sleek but obviously plexi pumps that provides a hint of nude, and by swapping to a smaller bag we're ready for after work drinks or even a night out. This mini padded bag is again from Zara, is a great dupe for the YSL mini Lulu bag. So my darlings, what was your favourite look? Comment down below. So my loves, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all these looks and how to style denim shorts in multiple different ways with different accessories. Please look out for some more videos. Please turn your notification bell on because I will be doing a few more styling videos, whether that's styling a little white dress, a little black dress, workwear, casual wear, and so on. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the subscribe button. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and definitely comment down below which was your favorite look. Thank you so much again for watching. This is the Fhab Life. Take care.